Welcome back to the Surrey, BC Real Estate Podcast. I'm your host, Ricky J, with Jeff Chatta from JC Homes, and we're going to dive right into the Fraser Valley real estate market update and stats for April 2024. Well, Jeff, it seems like the Fraser Valley is taking a cue from the cooler spring weather with a modest increase in home sales. The Fraser Valley Real Estate Board reported 1,471 transactions in April, which is up by 5% from March, but still down by 5% compared to this time last year.
Interesting. See, we're seeing some growth, but still feeling the chill from last year. So let's talk about inventory. Inventory is blooming like spring flowers, Ricky. Right? We hit levels not seen since September 2020 with 7,313 active listings, which is an 18% increase over last month and 17% over the 10-year average. Now, that's quite the selection for buyers. The market is pretty balanced right now.
That's right, Jeff. With new listings up by 33% in April, the sales to active listings ratio is sitting at 20%, making for a balanced market where buyers can shop at their leisure without the frenzy of past years.
Speaking of buyers, the Fraser Valley Board CEO, Buldev Gill, mentioned there's a lot of caution in the market. Buyers are waiting for the Bank of Canada to make its move on rate.
Absolutely. And while they wait, homes are spending less time on the market. Single-family detached homes are listed for 23 days, apartments for 23 days, and townhomes are moving even quicker at 19 days.
Let's not forget about prices. The overall benchmark price has nudged up again in April by 0.5% from March and are up 1.5% over April last year.
And sorry to cut you off there, Jeff, but if any of you are planning on making the move to Surrey, BC, or anywhere in the Fraser Valley or Metro Vancouver area, don't forget to give us a call. The number will be in the description. We absolutely love getting reach outs from all of you, so make sure to call, text, or email us if you're planning on making the move out here or around the area. And you can get yourself a free JC Homes t-shirt like the one I'm wearing right now in this video. All you have to do is drop a comment in the comment section of any one of our videos after subscribing to our channel and write the words "I have subscribed," and I will send you out a free JC Homes t-shirt. And our new order is almost here, and I will be dropping some off to our viewers within the next 2 weeks. For those of you who have been waiting, thank you so much for being patient, everyone. It's been a slow process, but it will get done, I assure you. Now back into the video, Jeff. I wanted to ask you a question regarding the current state of the real estate market here locally. There appears to be a divergence in opinions amongst real estate professionals, particularly those operating within the Surrey, BC region. The prevailing sentiment suggests that the market is experiencing a period of stagnation, which contrasts with the typical vibrant activity observed during the spring season. Could you maybe elaborate on why some realtors would be feeling this way?
Well, Ricky, I mean, that's actually a very great question. You mentioned before, balanced market, days on market. We're actually seeing a surge of listings. Now, some realtors are reporting that some areas are moving quickly, really fast. Some are not going as much. We've actually talked about this on other videos before, that we can be in a certain market today, for instance, a balanced market or a buyer's market. However, there can always be certain areas, municipalities that are actually in a different market. You know, we have condos, townhouses, houses, and they can all actually be in a different market themselves. So it really depends on those realtors you were speaking with, or those ones that are saying, oh, well, the market's really hot. Well, what product are they selling and where are they selling it? Is it everywhere? I can assure you it's not everywhere, right? Certain areas do much better than other areas. Some areas will be faster on condos and townhouses. Some areas might be faster on detached. Pricing is always a key factor. And remember that this is why you have a realtor, to help guide, advise, and protect you. And protecting is a huge thing too, because you might not know what is out there. You might think it's a seller's market because that's what everybody's kind of saying. But for this particular property, it could be a buyer's market, right? It could be different. So you're going to want to have the realtor to help you with that. But yeah, it's a loaded question, because there's no, this is what it said, so that's how it should be. Different areas, different rules, different makeup. Now, Ricky, let's get into the MLS HPI benchmark price activity.
For those keeping score, that's around 1.5 million for single-family detached homes, up by 1% from March. Townhomes are at 854,700, up 0.9%, and apartments are sitting at 561,900, which is up by 1.2%. And for a complete list of stats from the Fraser Valley Real Estate Board, I will provide a link in the description to the PDF stats package in the description of this video.
See, now, Rick, those numbers show a steady market. It's a great time for buyers to get in touch with the realtor. realtor like myself and a financial advisor to see what opportunities are really out there.
I also want to give a quick shout out to feedspot.com for ranking us number 13 out of 35 podcasts in British Columbia, Canada. And you can check out their website in the description of this video. And thanks to all the emails and calls we've received lately from many new potential real estate agents who are thinking about getting into this amazing industry. And trust me, take it from me, I recently just passed my real estate exam after being involved with the industry for many, many years. Thank you for that applause there. And now that wraps up our April real estate market update for the Fraser Valley area. Thanks for tuning in to the Surrey, BC Real Estate Podcast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate content just like this. Drop your comments below and make sure to check us out on most audio streaming platforms, as well as our TikTok channel, still called the BC Real Estate Podcast, if you're into the shorter form content. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone, and we'll see you on the next episode.